Hello everyone. Welcome back to Kenspire Business Mantra and one another interesting episode, which is actually, I will call it lifeline for an organization and for an entrepreneur. Yes, welcome to this episode on MIS and MRM, Management Information Systems and Management or Monthly Review Meeting. Friends, I mentioned this is lifeline for an organization. In what way this is lifeline? So far, we have learned, the process of setting up the organization and then setting up the structure and methodology, process, everything. Now, you remember we discussed in the management pyramid the role of the top management. The top management role does not include involve in the day-to-day operations management. So, in what way the top management will know what is happening in the organization? It is extremely important for them to know. So, these are the two wonderful tools which the management or the promoter or the CEO should use to make sure that he has all the right information about the operations of the company. Now, talking about management information system, which we call the pulse of the organization or the lifeline of the organization. This obviously has to be in various periodicities. For example, there has to be certain daily MIS from the various departments, various heads of the departments flowing into the promoter or the entrepreneur. There has to be weekly MIS and also monthly MIS reports. When we say MIS reports, this should cover all the critical measurements and or parameters of the various resources, functions, and departments of the organization. Now, this should include the various departments, profit centers, cost centers, core functions, and even support functions. Right? When we talk about core function and support function, we know that operations are core, and then you have your IT, HR, finance. These are all support functions. Every department, every function should throw their MIS to the management at the appropriate periodicity. Ideally, these MIS reports are better generated not manually, but from the ERP system or the computer system which manages the organization, so that the accuracy and reliability will be ensured. So this MIS has to be given on a need to know basis. This has to be uh, you know received by such people who are responsible to manage the organization, whether at the mid level or at the senior level or at the top level. So, this kind of flow of information is very critical. If this is not there, then the organization will definitely have shocks and surprises now and then. So, the basic information about what is happening is extremely important for a CEO for him to know. I am aware of many large entrepreneurs who manage their multiple businesses with a single A4 sheet kind of a MIS report. That is how you understand the pulse of the organization. There are a lot of thumb rules in any business. These have to be captured in these daily MIS reports so that the promoter or the CEO will have a full control of what is happening. Just again, as a caution, I'm repeating, the CEO need not be involved on a day-to-day basis on the transaction level. But at the same time, he has to know what is happening. He need to have full control over what is happening, for which MIS is a great tool. He can't just wait for the monthly review meeting for him to get to know things, because the CEO in a large setup is expected to report to the board. Unless he has a full grip and control over that, what is happening, he will not be in a position to report from the realistic situation. So, having seen the importance of MIS, which is uh, going to give a complete picture to the people, now we will talk about MRM. What is MRM? Management review meeting, which again should be chaired by the top management, CEO or the entrepreneur. And this MRM definitely should be minimum monthly once. And there has to be structured templates, reporting structure, formats, and everything from each of the departments and functions, profit centers, cost centers, everything. And needless to say that it is not only important to report the operational aspect, also the financial implication in the form of budget, variance analysis, budget versus actual, P&L account, balance sheet, cash flow statement, receivable statement, payables statement, etc., etc. So this monthly review meeting is extremely important tool for the management to spend quality time, even if it goes to 1 full day or 2 full days. It is the time when the management understands what is happening in depth in the organization. And what they should be looking for is whether the transactions are aligned with the larger purpose, goal, vision, and plan of the organization. That is what is important. Second thing, identifying the various gaps that are in the various departments and organization. The gaps could be either operational gaps or strategic gaps, strategic deviations. It needs to be identified and analyzed in those management review meetings. These presentations should be obviously tech enabled. Earlier it used to be PowerPoint presentations. Now there are a lot of newer tools, IT tools, which have been there, and these things have to be used. The disciplined methodology of reporting should be used, where certain common templates, common protocol of reporting should be followed. And then this is a great opportunity for the top management to understand what is happening in the organization. Also, a great opportunity for the various managers to showcase their performance with the top management, which will go a long way in terms of performance appraisal and also performance recognition model. Now, more importantly, beyond the gap analysis, it is also a great tool for the top management, which will act as a planning input for the top management. Because planning for the future is a key element for the top management, and these MRMs will always throw many points positive, otherwise, all the points, and these have to be noted carefully in order to take care of the future planning. So, yeah, effectively drawn or designed MIS system, management information system, and a very effective management review meeting are like two eyes of of an organization. If these two are managed properly, and the top management has to spend undisturbed quality time into this. If this happens in any organization, nobody can take away success from the organization. To that extent, this is important, MIS and MRM. So many organizations may overlook without implementing such things by saying that anyway, I am involved in the day-to-day transactions. I know what is happening. Why should I again sit and review? This applies even to weekly review or daily review or monthly review, as the case may be. But a review is extremely different from involving in a transaction. Review is sitting outside the transaction and viewing it. It will throw a lot of insights. So even though a promoter may get involved on a day-to-day basis, it is important that he sits very, very clearly outside the transaction and looks at these MIS reports and review meetings and spend quality time and take insights, which is important for improvement of the organization. MRM, there can only be one goal, which is continuous improvement, right? This continuous improvement concept should guide and drive all the sessions of the MRM. And very importantly, consistency is the key. There should not be any gap in conducting these monthly review meetings with the management, so that it will become a continuous affair, a consistent affair, which will stabilize the organization in the long run. So these two tools, if effectively used, you will find great way to success. Wishing you all the best until we meet again. Bye.